Hi, this is Carrie Schell from On Point Quilter. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you my process for downloading and installing my EQ8 upgrade on my computer. Okay, I have gone to the download page on Electric Quilt's website, and that information will be included with your software. And I'm going to select the PC download, and I'm going to go ahead and insert my license number, and this would be again off the box. So and then I will add my password, and I'll click on verify my license. Now, since I had already done this before, it basically is taking me to my EQ account to access it. If this is your first entry of your license information, it is going to ask you for your EQ7 password and login information. And to get that, you just need to open your EQ7, go to the Help section, go to About EQ, and right in the middle there is your ID and password, and that's what you'll use when it asks for EQ7 information. So the next piece is going to be what you're going to do when you put it on your second computer, or if you need to reinstall it on your current computer. And I'm going to go to my download section, and I'm going to find the EQ8, right, which is my first item, and I'm going to download the file. And you can see my file is downloading in the lower left corner. Okay, it's now in my downloads folder, but I'm just going to click on it from here. And it's asking if I want the app to make changes. Absolutely. And it's going through the install wizard. Okay, so now it says I'll install. I'm going to select next. I'm going to accept the terms of the license agreement, select next, and this is where I put in my license ID and my password. And I'll select next. Okay, so it's installed. And the box is checked to run EQ8 now, so I'm going to select Finish. Now it's asking me to do my registration. And then I'll check Continue. And it tells me that my activation was successful. And it's now loading EQ8. So it has taken me to my home screen, and I am ready to get started. Thanks so much for watching. If you are new to Electric Quilt 8, I have some exciting new training opportunities that you can access in the classes section on my website, or sign up for my newsletter and you will have access to my free weekly tutorials. For more information, go to www.onpointquilter.com.